Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to show a little bit about Modespray. Modespray is the platform to send tokens to multiple addresses in one click. Um, and we are participating in the Mode AI Agent Hackathon. In this occasion, we are using the GOAT framework that it allows to interact directly with the AI agents with the blockchain. Um, Here uh, we can see all that we are implementing to create this mode spray plugin to super spray ethers. If you want, you can check all the files that we are working to implement this new plugin to interact in a simple way with the AI agents. Uh, what what we can find here. First, about um, an example to as a use case to consume our plugin. How we can use this plugin is very simple. We just need to import the plugin of Modespray and include in the configuration of plugins. According to the documentation of Go framework, it's so simple. And then we are using a simple prompt, just like an example of use case. Here we just say spray this amount of ethers from my balance to this wallet address. And then this AI agent interacts directly with the GPT-4o mini model from OpenAI with these tools. We configure the steps and our prompt. But if you want to review how it was built, you just can access to this pull request right now and can check all the configuration that we're working. Yeah, this is the use case that I show you after. And finally, if you want to know how it works, how it was built, you can check here the Modespray plugin. This is a simple way to create a new plugin from any configuration. I believe that one of the most interesting contribution is not just creating the plugin that will help disperse or spray Ether, improving the mass and sending experience, but also the processes behind its development. While I was building this plugin, I encountered an issue that displayed insufficient balance, which prevented my use case from being completed. Thanks to contributions from Fede, from Crypto Fede, and 0x August Punk, who shared their ideas and knowledge about the tools, we discovered that there was a bug in the core function for sending transactions. This bug was identified and submitted for correction as meaning contribution to overall project. Right now we can check this plugin in action. We just need to run npx ts node index ts. As you can see, this is the processing our prompt. Here we say spray this amount of my balance to this address, wallet address. And finally, the response should be successful of this sprayed amount to the to all these addresses that we want in a simple way. As you can see here, this is the transaction hash. We can review in the mode log explorer with this hash. Thank you for your attention. This is Wolfito signing off, participating at the epicenter of technology.